Hi there, welcome to the course. And this is one of a kind amazing course, right? So this is website creation using artificial intelligence technology. Now, if you haven't seen the teaser, I urge you to watch the teaser first. In the teaser, we have given how do you create a website in 30 seconds or less. So it should be there at the top. So please watch the teaser first before you ever enter this. And in the teaser, we looked at how do you create a website into less than 30 seconds. So for all those who haven't watched it, here's once again how do you create a website in less than 30 seconds. And then we are going to take it forward from there, right? And then we are going to edit the website, the content, the design, and we are looking at how do you change the fonts, the colors, etc. Yes, so this is one kind of a gamified program, right? So I'm going to show you a lot of quest activities. So we are starting from this Illinois Rock, which is Portal 1, and this is using bookmark.com on how to create websites, right? And then we are moving on towards Castle Relics, which is you talk with chatbots to create websites, and then we have all the stuff which will be explaining you in the future until you get to Dragon Mountain, where you create an app for Apple TV itself, and then you'll be able to even create chatbots here in the light chambers. Cool. So Illinois Rock, here we come. Bookmark.com, we are here. So it's bookmark.com. All you have to go there is go there and register there and click on create a website. And bookmark.com uses AIDA, which is an artificial intelligence design assistant. So all you have to do is click on create a website and you'll see this loads up, right? And now click on start now, right? By the way, I'm Srinidhi Ranganathan. They call me marketing legend and India's fastest digital marketer. And now I would want kind of a website, say a coffee shop. No, I would want kind of an e-commerce website. So I'll type in e-commerce. Cool, e-commerce is really good, right? I can show you how to create products in an e-commerce store, and then click on next, and then enter the name of the website. I would give a test 2 here, right? Give next. Yes, I am selling goods or services, right? This is not a teaser, so I have to show you the entire thing. Yes, selling goods or services. Yes, I want products to list on my store. Okay, suppose I have a stationery store or something like that. I need products, right? So bookmark.com is going to scan all the businesses on Google, and it's going to tell you whether your business name matches with something else. Right now it isn't matching, so no next. And now you can give your phone number, email address, and city or country. Otherwise, you can also upload your logo here. If you don't need that, you'll have to click on create a website. So if you have this, it'll be appearing in the website contact us page and in the footer, right? You don't need that now, right? Click on create a website. Hang on, AIDA is the world's first, say AI world's first AI creation bot that creates website, and bookmark.com is a company where say AIDA is the engine behind it. Say they have built AIDA there, and it's going to be creating a website less than 30 seconds. Let's wait for it to create. It's done. Amazing. So all you have to do is click on start and count the time if you have a stopwatch or a countdown timer. So I'm not doing anything. It's going to take all the attributes that you see, all the elements that you see. I'm not doing anything. It is taking on its own and creating a layout for you. Now it is creating a layout of your dreams now. Now you don't need a developer. You don't need anybody, right? Okay. Let's do okay. AIDA is creating a website. Already has a store registered to it. Okay, fine. A new store on this bookmark. Okay, fine. Just give me a minute. It's creating something here. Already has a store associated with it. The email address. Build an e-commerce store on another platform using this email. You'll be unable to create a new store on Bookmark. Okay, I got it. I got it. Yes, it's done. Click on preview website. And now I'll be able to see. Just give me a minute. It is loading still. Just give us some time. Yes, I have the website ready here. So just give me one sec. So this is our website. Looks pretty cool, right? So all the products are categorized. So you have about us page. You have wow, it's amazing. Click on services, and you have all this. Now I'll tell you how you can edit this. Now you have products. The page looks so cool, and contact us, where we haven't given anything, so it's taken a random say a contact name and address. Now click on back to builder over here. You see this back to builder say button over there. Just click on that, and now all you have to do is suppose you want Bookmark to change your website style. All you have to do is click on change website style. Okay, so click on that and just say do it for me Bookmark, do it for me AIDA. It's automatically doing now. It's taking some of the style that you see over there and the list of styles that it has. It's going to change the style. Pretty cool, right? Yes, done. Now if you want to change the fonts, click on change website fonts, do it for me. Now I'm not doing anything, it's changing the font all by itself, right? It's going to do that. Just give it some time, give Bookmark some time. It's going to change the fonts. Wow, cool Bookmark, cool AIDA. And you can add or delete modules or drag and drop modules, so you'll have to experiment with this. You can also do SEO here, which is pretty good to get your website to the top of search. So now suppose I would want to edit this, I can just click on this and edit it. So I can edit the stationery shop, or I can have say shop shop the clothing store. That's pretty good, got it in my mind. And then if you want to change say any kind of image here, or okay, I would want to change the backgrounds of the module, so I'll click on this and I would want to change all this. You can edit the content, our amazing selection of choices, right? And suppose I want to add my video, I can add it here. Just drag that video module over there and put it over there and double click this. Yeah, and then type in the YouTube video URL. Suppose you have a YouTube video URL, right? So you gotta head over to your YouTube channel, and suppose I have say a YouTube video. Give me one sec. Typically I have this YouTube video, 30-second website creation. So copy this and then I have to paste it here and then click on save. And I'm going to get my YouTube video over here, and then you can preview it whenever you want. You can save this and preview it whenever you want. So I would urge you to see and try all those options over there. You can have the social feed, you can have say whatever you want. So you can add your social feed in the sense of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever it is. And you can try out all this, and this is the best tool in the world that helps you to create a website in less than 30 seconds or less. So that is amazing, right? So you'll be able to create a website in 30 seconds, right? That is pretty cool thing. And then you can have countdown timers, you can have quotes. Suppose I want to have a quote here, you can just write whatever you want. In the midst of difficulty lies opportunity. So I just typed a simple code over there and then I have it here. And then suppose you want AIDA to do a new website and you don't like this layout. All you have to do is click on want a new website, right? And then it's going to change the entire thing. So I'll just explain a little bit about SEO. Click on SEO and just click on show me how. So what happens here is you have to go to settings and it's going to go to SEO, right? And then here you can give the site name, you can edit how it's going to appear in Google and all this stuff, right? So typically you can look at how this say this wizard is going to tell you how to do that. So you can edit the site name, then you can edit this save settings once you have done that. And so suppose I go to SEO, right? So I can write the site name as clothing store in Chennai, something like that, and then I can go and type my description and something like clothing store, the best clothing store in Chennai. And then I can give the keywords clothing store in Chennai, comma, you give a comma, right? And then give it as clothing store Chennai or something like that, right? And then you can add all this stuff and then click on save changes, and that's it. Your SEO will really work. Now this is about creating a site in less than the fastest time possible, right? And we'll have one more course on SEO later on, but this is how you create a website at the fastest time using bookmark.com, which is kind of a differentiator and a game-changing experience. I hope you enjoyed the first lesson. Stick on here because you're going to see amazing stuff coming up in the next lessons. Thank you so much.